If you're looking to grow your Telegram channel quickly and efficiently in 2025, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know a powerful new method to boost your Telegram channel's reach and engagement, using both proven organic tactics and some of the latest features Telegram has rolled out. Stick with me and I'll walk you through exactly what to do and why it really works. Let's dive in. The first and most crucial step is to focus on high-quality, consistent content. Think of your channel as a TV series. People subscribe and return for substance, not just noise. So ask yourself, what value am I offering my audience? This could be tips, news updates, exclusive resources, or simply entertainment, whatever fits your brand and niche. Consistency matters just as much. Try to post regularly, whether that's daily or a few times a week. Not only does this keep your existing subscribers engaged, but it also signals to newcomers that your channel is active and worth following. Next up, let's talk about cross-platform promotion. Share highlights from your Telegram channel on your other social media accounts, Instagram, X, Twitter, Facebook, or even LinkedIn if your content is professional. You could post teasers, behind-the-scenes moments, or unique content snippets on these platforms to get people curious. Use blog posts as well if you have a website. For example, write a summary of your latest channel discussions and at the end, invite readers to join your Telegram community for the full experience. This way, you're not just waiting for people to find you on Telegram, you're actively reaching out and inviting them in. Another great strategy is to collaborate with other channels. Think of it as making friends in your niche. Partner up for AMAs, guest posts, or even shoutouts. This exposes your channel to a completely new audience that's already interested in similar topics. Even if your channels are different sizes, there's value in collaboration. If you're nervous, remember, most creators are happy to support each other and grow together. Now, let's make things a little more fun, run giveaways or contests. Who doesn't love the chance to win something? You could keep this simple. For example, every new sign-up in a given week is entered into a random drawing. Or encourage activity by having people comment or react to posts and pick winners from the most active members. This creates buzz and incentivizes people not just to join but to participate. Don't overlook combining paid advertising with organic options. Telegram ads can offer an instant boost for your channel's visibility, and they're easier than ever to set up. At the same time, work on organic growth by optimizing your channel's content for SEO. That means using relevant keywords in your channel name, description, and posts so people searching in Telegram or on Google have a better chance of finding you. Now here's the step that leverages Telegram's latest features, boosting a channel directly within the app. This is super simple, so let me show you how. First, find the channel you want to boost, whether it's yours or someone else's you manage. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner. Don't worry if you don't see it at first. Sometimes on mobile the layout can shift depending on your theme. After you tap the dots, select Boost, then just tap Boost Channel. That's it. Your channel should now get an uptick in reach thanks to Telegram's built-in promotion mechanics. It might take a few moments to reflect, so don't panic if you don't see changes instantly. And that's it. By combining these strategies, you're not only boosting your channel numbers, but also building a genuinely engaged and active community. Give these steps a try and let me know how they work for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, I'd really appreciate you hitting the like button, dropping your questions or experiences in the comments, and subscribing for more insider Telegram tips. Thanks for watching and good luck growing your channel.